Well, good morning, Miss Berg.
Mrs. Fuzzy, you sound a little tired this morning.
It's Friday, and I am a little tired.
Guess what I did at 3 a.m.?
I'm guessing you went for a walk.
I went for a walk with Willow through Plymouth, saw some stars and some, I don't know.
It's way too early to be walking Plymouth, but I'm glad you enjoyed the scenery.
It was pretty good. I'm still waiting for Rhubarb to come home. She comes home next Friday, so I'll have a full report.
Okay, we'll look forward to that in the new year.
Thank you.
All right, so here we are, week 2 of Northwoods Elementary virtually. It's December 11th. We are out of our student sharing, so you and I are going to lead the kids in the pledge today.
Do you know what happened when we were in elementary school?
What?
We said the pledge, so I think we can do it. Are you ready?
I think we can.
Let's
All
have
right.
everyone stand, please.
All right, here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, we did well.
All right, birthdays still happening. And guess what else is happening? Half birthdays.
I know. So these 3 kids, remember those kids I forgot their pictures last week?
Well, 2020 is the year of mistakes and correcting.
Right. So we have Charlie, Sophia, and Adreet. Here's their fabulous faces. Happy birthday on December 6th.
That's awesome.
December 7th is Finley.
Super.
December 8th is Scarlett.
Yep. There's Natalie on December 9th.
December 10th, Krisha and Blake.
December 11th, Drashit, Evie, and Carvey.
I think that's today. Happy birthday.
Is today the 11th?
It is.
Oh.
Tomorrow is the 12th, and it's Savin's birthday.
On the 13th, whoa!
Look at all these kids on Sunday
What's
the 13th.
going on? Garrett, Clara, Gavin, Aditri, and Owen are all having birthdays.
Awesome. So here's the half birthdays.
First time this year. Let's see how it goes. June 11th?
Yeah, that's the day after school is out. They have the first day of summer as their birthdays.
Whoa, Belle, Lily, and Anna, happy half birthday on when? We'll just forget that part.
Well, it's today.
Okay, today. Go.
Their half birthday. June 13th, Sanjam and Emily. And that's it. That was it.
That was okay.
So we did it.
Okay, score.
All right, here's our Pack Pride.
Perseverance, pushing through challenges. Who did it this week, Mrs. Fuzzy?
We have Maddie, Vabhav, and Bo.
We have Mitri, Sydney, and Case.
Here's accountability. Braden, Charlotte, and Rahul.
And Alec, Dylan, and Presley also being accountable.
And then we have Andrew, Rami, and Rona.
Also, we have a lot of accountability going on.
We do. There's a lot of accountability in this land, as well as Ariana and Vahini.
Beautiful. Building community, which is important, especially with all the changes we've been through. Keeping that accountability is community is a big deal.
Right.
So Sloan, Brody, and Bradley, way to go.
And Wyatt, Adam, and Ruby.
Natalie and Ryan also showing community.
Awesome. Kindness. We love our kindness. I think we see kindness in so many kids every day, but this week we're going to highlight Braden and Reagan.
Nice.
Awesome job, as well as Anya and Sarah. And that's it.
Well, what are you going to do this weekend?
I think I'm going to get some of my holiday stuff done. I'm going to relax. I'm going to go for walks. How about you?
I'm driving up to the cabin tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, so I'll try to bring you back a treat.
Perfect. That sounds good.
Okay.
Don't forget to check out your library books for our next pickup, which is next week.
Yes, do it before. I think we sent out a newsletter to all parents yesterday so they know the date you need to have your book selections made by.
I think
but
it's
we're having
Wednesday.
another awesome pickup a week from today where you'll get all your stuff for break and the week after.
All right. Have a great weekend.
Be kind. Be safe.
Get outside.
Oh, you forgot to howl.
Oh.
Oh.